Hi Divas! I have a mystery kit to show you today from Diamond Art Club. It is a mystery landscape and the artist is David Mclean. Now if you are unsure about ever getting a mystery painting, what I do is I take the artist's name and I go to Google and I look at what all their artwork is. If you like the genre of artwork that they do when you look at the Google images, then you will like their mystery painting. I can guarantee. That's one way that you can tell if you're going to get a good mystery painting. If you don't like the artist, do not get the mystery kit by that artist. This is a square diamond painting. Right now, all mystery kits are square because when you see the canvas, I'll explain that when you see the canvas. All the boxes have instructions on the back. They have the warranty information and they have a 10% scan me code. If you would like 15% off your first order from Diamond Art Club, go drop down to the box, the description box below to find my affiliate code for Diamond Art Club. And boom. I have done a mystery kit already from Diamond Art Club and I loved it. I loved every minute of it. You don't have to be afraid of square drills from Diamond Art Club because they are fantastic. They are fantastic. That's the little sticker you get, excuse me, in every kit. That gives you the dimensions, and this one is 38.6 inches by 27.6 inches. So it's 98 by 70 centimeters. It's a big one, but I like to keep them on the side. It also gives you that this is a mystery kit. Don't put spoilers up one line unless it's a mystery kit spoiler Facebook group, but do not put them up on line so that other people can enjoy the mystery of their painting. It's always a good idea. Every kit comes with a toolkit so that you have everything you need in order to create the kit. The older kits do not include two of the special items that you will find in these. Okay, you always get a bag of baggies. You get a tray. I like these newer white trays. They have a little bit higher sides and they have a stopper on the end that prevents the diamonds from falling out when you shake them around, and you can take the stopper out when you're pouring. They give you two multi-placers, a 5, a 4, and a 7. Why do I keep saying 5? A 4 and a 7. For squares, they give you a tweezers, which I love. They give you a random colored pen and squishy. And by the way, I will soon have up a video on saving your hands, wrists, and back from pain, and how to ergonomically arrange yourself in a better way than that. And you get hearts of wax in order to finish the kit. You get a cover minder. A cover minder helps hold that plastic back so that you can do oh, forget the stains on my hand. A cover minder. A cover minder helps you pull the plastic back and hold the plastic back while you're working on a section of it. This one, little baby unicorn, I'm going to give to my granddaughter Crystal. It looks like a crystal unicorn, doesn't it? This is definitely her. It has a little magnet for the back and that magnet, it kind of traps the plastic in between. I've got to give it to her. I have a couple of videos where Crystal joined me, and I do have this washi tape already, which is no big deal. This will be beautiful in my February documenting kits. Anytime you use red, it's just beautiful. Washi tape can go around the edges of your paintings to keep out the dirt, to align the edges very crisply when you put your drills down, and also you can use it to divide up the plastic canvas on the top in sections, the sections you want to do at a time. So there's your kit. Okay, now let's find out what I'm not going to show you the whole canvas. I'll show you what a portion of the canvas looks like. Again, I'm not going to put any spoilers out there for you. You're going to have to find out yourself. But since I like David Mclean's style of art, I am sure I've got... What? What? All the other mystery kits I have gotten have come with a strictly black and white canvas. This has some pastel colors. Look at that. Wait, here, I'll show you. Can I do a close-up on the edge of the thing here? Let me show you. See if I can get you closer. Come on. Look, it has some color to it. Amazing. Maybe that will make it easier to see. I have hearts here that have an orange background, a pink background, a white background, and a blue background. Do I have that many hearts in here, or I just have one heart symbol? I have one heart symbol. So I wouldn't exactly match the symbols with the colors. That's interesting. Oh my goodness. Well, this helps confuse you as to what colors go where. Do not follow the colors in the background. Just follow the symbol. I have squares that are orange and white. I have slanted, like diagonals that are pink and light blue and dark blue, and go by these symbols only. By the symbols along the edge only. Forget the colors in the background. That's going to be tricky. That will be very tricky. Well, crud. Okay. I'm not going to roll out much of it. You see the colors here. I do not want to ruin my surprise either. So, here we go. Here are the drills. Oh my goodness. There's so many colors, you get 2 of these. Let me wing you back out again so I can see, you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay. So you get your typical thank you and instruction booklet. There's so many colors that they put 2 of these in. It looks like there are 68 colors. That's got to be a new record for Diamond Art Club kits. The ones that are below 150 on this kit are Aurora Borealis drills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 AB drills. They're numbered 1 to 5. I won't know where to tell you to put them on the canvas unless we're starting to do it together. Because I can't tell. Okay. They'll be scattered. I just know that when Diamond Art Club renders their images, they scatter them all over to keep your eye moving around the actual image. So, yeah. Alright, so the drills have Mystery Kit Landscape and the inventory number on the packet. They got all those colors in one pack. Sometimes they divide them into 2 different packs. Not this time. Oh my lord. Oh my gosh. Alright. I like to put these things in the bottom of the drill pack set in case they get separated. That I have a visual reminder of what's actually in it. Okay? So now, help me find the ABs as we go through the drills. I have no idea what color they are. I see a white, I see a yellow, I see a lighter yellow, so there's an orange and a yellow and a white. I see a blue. There's probably one more in here somewheres. Oh my gosh. Holy Hannah. Let me find an end here. Okay, we have a bunch of 310s. We have 4 310 packets. That's not bad for the black. And again, you do not... Oh, and no, that's not an AB. They're just very shiny drills. Diamond Art Club has their own manufacturer, their own factory that produces their drills. The squares, you do not have to be afraid of Diamond Art Club squares. They do not pop. They do not pop in the canvas. They're just absolutely perfect. Alrighty. See if I can pull this one through. We have some mauves, pinks and greens, some beiges, some browns, a pale yellow, blue, mauve. Here's a white, the white AB. More blues. Ooh, here's a beautiful purple and a beautiful pink. Ooh, very nice indeed. Let me roll this around here. Oops, oh, maybe not, huh? Come on, sit in there. Okay. Some more greens and blues and an ice blue. And a teal, and there's one of the blue ABs right there. Pink. Beautiful purple, green, a peachy, darker peach color. More of these gorgeous colors. Unbelievable shine on these drills. Wow. Ooh, this one's going to be a stunner. I guess they were trying to avoid from the strictly black and white canvas, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to like that better, the color in the canvas, or not. We shall see. Blues, oranges, peaches, dark browns, gray, some pinky mauves. Look at that purple. Deep, deep, dark purple. Oh my gosh. Here is the orange AB and the yellow AB right next to it. Yep. Okay, greens. A Christmas green almost, a holly green. More browns. And a bright pink. Bright, bright pink. We still need to find the 5th AB here. It's a-coming. I see it coming. Get in there. Sorry for all the crinkly stuff. Crinkle warning, crinkle warning. Okay. Here is the green AB. And like I said, unfortunately, I cannot show you where in the canvas they go because I will have no idea until I get working on them. Because it doesn't do me any good to show you if I can't tell you what the object is they're going into. But that's okay, because I trust Diamond Art Club renderers that they will do a good job. They will do a very good job of mixing them around the canvas. They always do. Oh my goodness gracious. This will take a while to do, but it will be beautiful once it's finished. David Mclean Mystery Landscape Kit. Well, if you want to join the Wanda's Workbasket family, click like and subscribe below. We do whip and chats every Tuesday night, starting at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's for the diamond painting community. I will also have one night a week for planner community as well. We have counter cross stitch and other crafts on this channel that you might like to check out the playlist for. And I thank you for coming along for the ride, and I hope to see you in a live chat soon. Bye, Divas.